Hey there, what's up guys? Zach Calhoun here. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to show you the inner workings, the full expectations of what the lead generation feature is on Cloud Panel Pro Plus. I'm going to show you it all every step of the way so that you can know what to expect when you upgrade to your Pro Plus account here at Cloud Panel. So in my dashboard here, I'm going to go to edit this tour. It doesn't really matter which tour I'm picking. I just want to show you the lead generation tool and what happens. What are the actual steps that take place when someone creates a lead generation campaign, or when they add lead generation to their virtual tour, and then when a user inputs their info, what happens? Where does the info go? How does it look? How does it make you look as a business owner or as a virtual tour provider? Okay, so when you go into your tour editor and you scroll down to bring your cursor down to lead generation, you have this little modal here, or this little sidebar. You turn it on, and it works to turn on if you're a Pro Plus user. It has the first question to ask you, where should we send your leads to? And that's important. I'm going to go look at this email later where the leads actually get sent to. I'm just going to put my Cloud Panel email. You're welcome to email me anytime, zach@cloudpanel.com. This would actually be your client's email, your customer's email, or your email if you own the space you're trying to market. This is where the leads go, okay? You should definitely test this sucker before you send off to your client with your own email, right? So I'm going to put my email here, zach@cloudpanel.com. What should the message display to the viewers? To receive information about this property, enter your email below. You can put anything you want here. You could say book a time, you could say book a call, you could just figure out all kinds of fun ways. My goal is to get their information so I can take the relationship to the next level. So to receive more information or to track the listings, pricing, whatever you want to put here based on the certain use case, you're going to want to put that information here, and then you click save. When the information from the lead is captured, it is actually saved just below this button. So you'll be able to look through this information and your leads that are coming in for your client. Now, check this out in the actual tour itself. So I'm going to click publish here so I can view the link of my tour. When you turn on lead gen, as some of you guys have already seen, over here to the left, this little icon appears. Now I'm on the desktop viewer, okay? So as I'm looking around the tour, I'm like, oh, this is a pretty cool house, man. I kind of want to possibly put a bid on it. Is it still for sale? Yada, yada, yada. I want to talk to somebody. Well, now what you can do, as a virtual tour provider, the last thing you want to do is have a bunch of folks that are not your leads be coming to you or emailing you or whatever it is. You want a certain you want folks to be sent to them, right? To your clients, the person that you've sold this virtual tour to. So there's a little icon that appears when you turn on lead generation. When you click this button, this little modal appears to receive information, to receive instant information, whatever you want to put in that area. To receive information about this property, enter your email below. So we're also going to be adding phone number here. So, or if you want to register for your free trial, or you want to whatever while it still lasts, if you want the free 14-day trial right now, register here while it still lasts for the next 7 days, something like that. So I'm going to put a example name. So I'm going to put Clayton. Let's say I'm Clayton and I'm looking through this tour of this property and I want more information, or I want to book a tour, right? Something like that. I'm going to put Clayton at fakeemail.com. This is the information that will be going to my client. So once I click send, it had a small notification that said your information has been received. So what happened now? So what happened with my information? Well, now I want to show you. So over here to the left, my tab is my Cloud Panel email. Right up here up top, an instant email came through. Let's click into it. It says 360 virtual tour lead from no reply at virtualtourleads.com. We actually bought this domain so folks that use lead generation can utilize this email. This happens all automatically. It says, hello, a user has requested information about the following property, and my title of that tour was actually title of clone tour. But if it was an address, obviously it'd be 1234 address, or you would know which tour that is based on the title of that tour. Cool, right? Accessible that, and it shows the link. So if I click this link, it goes back to that tour and their information below. Here's their information below. Have a great day. So I typed in Clayton at clayton@fakeemail.com. Now, what's cool about this is it all happens automatically, right? So click on this tour. Now, what just happened is my client got sent a lead from the virtual tour they paid me to create. Really cool, right? When you have this type of lead capture, when you promise something and all you do is add your information, this basically what it does is it helps your clients know who's interested. It makes someone take a next step action, raise their hand in interest. That's a good way to put it. When someone raises their hand in interest, it helps you know who is the best lead to talk to right now. And yes, of course, there's a phone number here and there's an email they can reach out to. But how often do you go to your email, type in the long email? If it's someone's email is real estate best properties in the entire universe or Vancouver.com, I'm going to misspell that or I'm going to mess up something. Or if I want to book a time, maybe I'm the kind of person who doesn't want to call right now, or maybe I don't have the time. Maybe I'm at work and I'm going through it. All different types of reasons why folks just want to request information or take the relationship to the next level just by adding a lead right here. So when they get sent that information, and we're going to be adding on phone numbers as well, the client can now at their desktop computer say, oh, look, a lead just came in. I'll shoot them a quick email. They click the email and they're emailing them right away. Or they can call the number. Hey there, saw you were interested, just want to talk more. Well, how can I help you? That kind of instant access to a user is really cool. And a lot of folks utilize these kind of tools. So you as a virtual tour provider, how does that help you? Well, when you make a virtual tour for somebody, let's say hypothetically you charged $225 to come to a location and shoot a 3D virtual tour and put up on CloudPano, white labeled your domain because you're a Pro Plus member, and send it over to your client. You say, hey, do you like the tour? They talk through it. Yeah, it looks really cool. They kind of take a couple steps. They may ask for some changes or feedback or whatever. The next step is on the phone call is you say, hey, by the way, we have an advanced option that you can opt in for if you'd like. And basically, it's a lead generation modal capture. It's really helpful to instantly capture leads that are interested right now on their computer, looking at your location and shopping for it. This lead gen icon is very prominent on the mobile device. So as folks are looking through their mobile device, they're like, this is so cool. Oh my goodness, yada, yada, yada. And they click that button, they have their information. They have their phone in their hand. They're ready to rock and roll and talk to someone, right? So that is something that is very helpful or maybe they want you to reach out to them later, whatever it is. That is very helpful for you as the provider who is upselling a service. You can easily add this, and as you saw earlier, when I click Edit Tour, you just turn it on, and now you have an advanced version of your tour, which you can charge more for up front. And as you can see here, Clayton at Fake Email is recorded here, so you kind of have these recorded. You just click one button, add it in there, and you can say, hey, but listen, this advanced tour, takes a little bit more work on the back end, so it's going to require a hosting fee, of $49 a month. If you're okay with that, we can test it out for a month, and then if you want to continue it moving forward, we'll keep it on until you cancel, right? So for commercial properties, this could last all year. That's an easy way to add $600 a year into your revenue. If you charge $100 per month, it could be $1,200 per year, right? So just with that click of a button, you've just exponentially increased the value of creating one tour. This is how you create something once and it pays you forever, right? And that's your goal. So find that perfect sweet spot hosting fee, add the lead generation feature on there, and of course start selling tours everywhere you possibly can. Always advertise the cheaper price and then upsell the more expensive advanced tours. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this made sense. I was talking really fast, but I got all excited about lead gen. This is a really cool, very, very high. I'm not sure if anyone else even does this, and if they do, they don't do it the way we do it. We have built this so that you can get more clients, give them more leads, create more value, and make more money. That's what CloudPano is all about. All right, guys, if you are excited about this feature and want to add it onto your business right now, or to start testing it and using it, messing around with it, and seeing how it does out there in the world, make sure to go to cloudpano.com, click GoPro Plus, select a plan you like, save money with the annual plan, add in your information, and click pay, and your account will be upgraded automatically. Thanks for watching this video, and keep hustling, bros. I'll see you out there.